So this is a finished look. So this is Vava Vanessa. So I decided to do something fun and short in her. This unit was sent to me from Doubleleafwig.com. So she wanted something short because she is going to Turks and Caicos this week. So she needed something fun, short, and kind of, cute. Gotta be cute. So what I did was I did a deep wave set to this hair. This hair did come 180% density. It was about 20 inches long. So I did go ahead and do like a shoulder length chop. Now with this unit, guys, it came very much perfect as far as the ridges and everything. All I had to do was glue this unit down and just kind of do very nice subtle baby hair on it. Nothing too dramatic, nothing too crazy. She does not like stuff like that, so I had to keep it simple with her. But this came out nice. It's a very good density, guys, which is excellent. And let me tell you guys something. It looks very flawless, and just everything about it, she's absolutely in love with it. Yep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave all the information down below per usual. Now, do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.